Hi, 你好, I'm Chef Tom. We are making Hunan spicy chicken stir fry with vegetable. Let's go. Here are the ingredients. We need the black bean paste or black bean, just like that. Fermented aromatic and the mixed vegetable, any kind of fresh vegetable. I like to blanch a lot of chicken. When I bought a chicken, like 5-pound chicken, I slice it, blanch it real quick, and you can put it in the freezer in a zip bag. And when you're ready to eat, simple, and the chicken will stay really good. Homemade ginger and garlic with the hot chili. Asian Cooking 101, infuse the oil. What I mean is, you see that ginger and garlic and the hot sauce create this wonderful flavor. Add in the black bean. Now you have this umami. And then you just add in. See how easy that is? Cooking at home, 15 minutes. You don't even need 30 minutes. If you have everything ready. I used to splash with some wine, get them more aromatic. But I know a lot of my friends don't cook with wine, so this is good. Sesame oil. Sesame oil gives them a nice touch of fragrance. This is a healthy stir fry, not a lot of sauce, great flavor, and delicious. It will best to serve with noodle, pasta, or bread. You see? That's it. Here's your healthy stir-fry Hunan chicken. Delicious. And you can make this at home. Look at this. Look at this chicken.